Um, uh, one time I smelled an old sneaker and it knocked me right out.
Okay, your turn, Mom. Okay. Do you want to know what I used for a hat? A lentil.
Your turn again.
No, you go.
Do you know what I used to tie my skis to my car? Hair.
Okay, wait. Do the one about the dog.
All he cares about is snoozing. Treats. Treats and snoozing. Look at him. Snoozing and treats.
Beep.